Dear homeowner, my name is Derek Van Ness, and I've helped hundreds of people just like you to get rid of their house as quickly as possible. Now I understand there's a lot of reasons you might be selling, and in today's economy, with the mortgage world being as crazy as it is, I totally understand. But maybe you've fallen behind, a lot of people have, maybe your house needs some repairs and you just don't want to deal with that. Or maybe you just want the certainty of knowing that someone can pay for your house without having to get a loan from the bank or some of the other ways that people are doing it right now that aren't so certain. Well, that's where we come in. You see, I work with a team of professionals, and our whole goal is to make it as easy as possible for you to sell your home. We have a whole pool of investors. These guys are powerful people who will buy your house for cash or some other form of guaranteed payment so that you don't have to worry about the uncertainty of whether it's going to close or not. Because heaven knows we've all been through too many escrows that haven't closed. But to combat that, these people have cash, and it offers certainty in today's uncertain market. So here's what you do. You go to our website. It's www.quicksalehomesystem.com, and you'll see a form there. Just put in your basic information, answer a couple of quick questions, and send it over to us. That's it. We'll take care of the rest. Someone from our office will give you a ring. It may even be me personally. And we'll get right on it and help you to get your property placed with one of our investors or someone who's looking to buy a home. Anyway, this is much easier than going out into the regular market and dealing with all of the pressures and all the craziness that's going on right now. So again, that website is www.quicksalehomesystem.com. And let's get your house sold right away.